Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to use the insert into select clause in SQL. Let's begin. What is SQL insert into select? The insert into select statement is used to copy data from one table and insert it into another table. This is useful when you want to transfer data between tables, archive records, or create backup copies. Syntax of insert into select. Copy all columns from one table to another table. Insert into table 2, select asterisk from table 1 where condition semicolon. Copy only some columns from one table into another table. Insert into table 2, open parenthesis, column 1, column 2, and column 3, close parenthesis. Select column 1, column 2, and column 3 from table 1 where condition semicolon. Let's have an example. Copy the suppliers table into the customer table. Columns with no data will contain null. Here's the query. Insert into customer, open parenthesis, customer name, city and country, close parenthesis. Select supplier name, city, country from suppliers. Now let's run this. As you can see, the records from the suppliers table can also be found on the customer table since we transferred the data of the suppliers into the customers table. Key points to remember. The target table must have the same structure as the selected data. Use where to filter specific data. The number of columns in insert into must match the select statement. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more SQL. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.